Watch the whole video if you want to know how much Loom Network, Loom, will cost from 2022 to 2030 and are looking for price predictions or estimates. We'll look at how the price of Loom Network, Loom, has changed in the past and find out what experts think will happen to its price in the future. Please remember that this prediction, like all other predictions, is just a suggestion from some market analysts. Not to mention that it's hard to predict something so specific. But we will do everything we can. Let's begin. Price estimate for the Loom Network. Minimum price, average price per year. The Loom Network in brief. Network currency Loom. Cost in US dollars, $0.062. Market cap, $81.049, 263. A day costs $223,666,686. Total of supplies, 1,300,000,000. Price analysis of Loom Network from the past. The most up-to-date information shows that the price of Loom Network is $0.062 and that Loom is currently the most valuable cryptocurrency. The market value of Loom Network is $81,049,263 and there are 1,300,000,000 shares in circulation. The value of the cryptocurrency has gone down by -24.7% in the last 24 hours. If we look at the LOOM's market cap today and compare it to what it was yesterday, we can see that it is also lower. Over the past week, the Loom had a strong rising trend and went up by 24.28%. Loom Network has recently shown that it has a lot of potentials, so now is a good time to jump in with both feet and invest. 6 months. But if you compare the current price to the price history of the last 30 days, you can see that the value of Loom Network has gone up by 18.567%. The average lowest price paid each month is $0.050, and the average highest price paid each month was $0.051. This means that this coin is a good long-term investment and should be added to your portfolio. In the last 90 days, the price went from an average low of $0.042 to an average high of $0.047, which is a change of almost 30.28%. In the last 4 months, Loom Network has shown signs of growth. We think that similar market segments were very popular at the time because of this. The most recent data shows that the number of trades on the Loom Network has grown over the past 4 months. The amount of trading has a big impact on the price of the item. In the past 4 months, the average price has been as high as $0.061 and as low as $0.057. This means that the value of the currency has gone up by 22.06%. Loom Network, Loom, price predictions for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. We try to guess how much Loom Network will cost in the future by doing a deep technical analysis with the help of artificial intelligence on its past prices. We try to find out as much as we can about the Loom coin's past. This could include information about past prices, Loom Network's market capitalization, volume, and other things. If you want to invest in digital currency and get a good return on your money, make sure to read our predictions. How much will Loom Network cost in 2022? The price of Loom Network should be at least $0.088 in 2022. The Loom Network price could reach 10 cents in 2022, with an average trade price of $0.092. How much will Loom Network cost in 2023? Based on price predictions and technical analysis, the price of Loom Network should reach at least 13 cents in 2023. The average price of a Loom is 13 cents, but it can go as high as 16 cents. Find out more. How much will Loom cost in 2024? The price of Loom Network is expected to drop to 19 cents in 2024. Based on our research, the price of Loom could go as high as 22 cents, with an average prediction of 19 cents. Find out more. How much will Loom Network, Loom, stock cost in 2025? Based on our detailed technical analysis of LOOM's price history, the price of Loom Network will reach at least 26 cents in 2025. The average price of a Loom is 27 cents, but it can go as high as 32 cents. Find out more. How much will Loom Network cost in 2026? The price of Loom Network should be at least 39 cents in 2026. The average price on the Loom Network will be 40 cents in 2026, but it can go as high as 45 cents. How much will Loom Network cost in 2027? One Loom Network is expected to cost at least 57 cents in 2027. The average price of Loom in 2027 will be 59 cents, but it can go as high as 66 cents. Find out more. How much will Loom Network, Loom, stock cost in 2028? The price of Loom Network is expected to drop to 81 cents in 2028. Based on what we've learned, the price of Loom could go as high as 98 cents, with an average price of 84 cents. How much will Loom Network cost in 2029? The price of Loom Network should be at least $1.17 in 2029. With an average price of $1.20, the Loom Network price could reach $1.41 by the end of 2029. How much will Loom Network, Loom, stock cost in 2030? The price of Loom Network is expected to reach at least $1.75 by 2030, according to the projections and technical analysis. The prices for Loom range from an average of $1.80 to a high of $2.05. How much will Loom Network cost in 2031? Based on depth technical analysis of LOOM's past price data, we think that the price of Loom Network will be at least $2.56 in 2031. The most you can pay for a Loom Network is $3.01, and the average value of a trade is $2.64. Find out more. FAQs about the price forecast for Loom Network. Can Loom Network get to the moon and back? By the end of this year, the average price of Loom Network, Loom, might be $0.092. If we use the 5-year plan as a guide, the currency should easily pass the 40 cents mark. What is the most Loom is expected to cost in 2022? The price of Loom is expected to reach a high of 10 cents at the end of 2022. How much does Loom Network cost at the moment? Loom Network, Loom, is now trading at $0.062 and has a market capitalization of $81,049,263,000. What's in store for Loom Network? The future of Loom Network will depend a lot on how healthy the cryptocurrency market is as a whole. When it comes to Loom, you need to be sure that your way of investing is good. This type of investing is not right for people who have different risk profiles. It is still a great investment for people who can handle a lot of risks and have good money. In addition to being speculation, Loom lets you learn about global technology and an ecosystem that is always growing. Is it smart to invest in Loom Network, Loom? Since scarcity often causes prices to go up, Loom Network's value is likely to go up even more. Please keep in mind that there is some risk with every investment. Invest in what you can do and do as much research as you can before making any decisions. How much will Loom Network be worth in the year 2030? The price of Loom Network has a great chance of going to new heights. The price of Loom is likely to go up. Certain experts and business analysts think that the best price for Loom Network will be $3.01 in 2030. How much will Loom Network cost in what year? The price of Loom Network will go up as more investors join the project. In 2023, Loom Network will be worth an average of about 13 cents. How much will Loom Network be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, a Loom will cost between 45 cents and 39 cents on Loom Network. The value of Loom Network is very different because it is traded based on supply and demand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.